Alright folks, thought I'd do a quick video and show y'all this. This is a 2002 Case folding hunter that I traded for. Traded with a bearded knife guy. But I've done a little remodeling to it, let's call it. Just cleaned up the sheath real good, oiled it up. But on the knife, of course I've got a little oil and stuff on it. But I put the double shields on it. I put the American flag case shield and the American flag case Confederate shield. Just really done some shining up. I had to do some sanding on the bolsters to get some scratches out. The blades themselves have still got a little bit of damage, but like I said, it's a 2002 knife, so, but it cleaned up really good, and I've got some engravings on the blades. But right here you can see it's got a little, I don't know exactly what happened to it there, but it's got some little divots and stuff in it. Nothing that's going to hurt the knife at all. It's still a very functional knife if you wanted to use it. And on the second blade, I've got Southern by the Grace of God on there. On the back side, we got a skull with the Confederate coming out the back. So it's basically an American Confederate knife. I just thought it would be cool. I was trying to figure out what to do with it. I love doing the custom jobs, so I thought this would come out really neat. Thought I would share it with y'all. So y'all give me your thoughts, comments on it. Let me know what you think. This one's going to go up for sale. I don't know exactly if I'm going to put it on the website or try to move it on Facebook or what we're going to do just yet. But it's going to be available either today or maybe tomorrow. So y'all let me know what you think. I appreciate all y'all. Appreciate all the support you guys give me. It really means the world to me, guys. I don't know what I'd do sometimes without this knife community. I thank y'all so much. Y'all are a blessing to me, and I hope I'm a blessing to y'all. Love y'all. God bless.